Hi, I'm Alba and today I'm going to cook a typical Spanish dish called arroz con leche. The ingredients that we need are 1 liter of milk, 150 grams of sugar, 110 grams of rice, 1 cinnamon stick, the rind of 1 lemon, and ground cinnamon. First, put the milk in a saucepan, put it at a slow cooker and add the rind of the lemon and the cinnamon stick. Then, add the rice, remove it and wait. After 20 minutes, add the sugar and remove it again. "25 minutes later, the rice is finished, so put out the fire and take off the rind of the lemon and the cinnamon stick. Finally, put it in small bowls and put ground cinnamon to decorate.